Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. The Attorney General Aiyaz Sayed-Khaiyum officially opened the 10th National Transport Consultative Forum this morning at Novotel, Lami. While addressing the stakeholders present at the forum, he highlighted that the forum discussions should be focused on commercial aspects.
Transportation is the major contributor and a key factor in developing the economy. For the next 2 days, stakeholders will engage in dialogue relating to transportation issues. The theme for the forum is delivering excellence in the transport industry. Stakeholders have been urged to engage in dialogue focusing on the commercial aspects.
Please understand that transportation has an enormous commercial imperative. In terms of when we make our decisions, when we have our various boards regarding even regulatory agencies, we must always look at the commercial aspects of transportation. Whether it's building of roads, whether it's licensing of minibuses or buses, whether it's to do with taxis, whether it's to do with the sea freight, whether it's how we maintain our ports and get the best synergies. These are all key elements that need to be specifically looked at if you want to have a very robust transportation system.
Sayed-Khaiyum says government is committed towards strengthening transportation sector. The upgrade of the Thai-level Kings Road is a testament to government's commitment in ensuring better infrastructure in our country.
The Bainimarama government has been very much focused on, notwithstanding the fact that we have a number of multilateral agencies that are not affording us finances that they previously used to. Despite that, we are still focusing on, through the help of other development partners like China and now Exim Bank of Malaysia and various other sources, we are focusing on infrastructure development. The opening up of the seal roads along Kings Road will be a major boost for that area, in particular in the northwest of Viti Levu. So if you open up areas through, for example, road transportation by good roads, you are simply allowing people to be empowered.
The Fiji Kidney Foundation marked another milestone achievement following the foundation laying ceremony of its Kidney Dialysis Centre at Extension Street, Suva. The foundation laying was done by the Indian High Commissioner to Fiji, His Excellency Vinod Kumar, who on behalf of the Indian government donated US $100,000 for the project.
The Kidney Foundation of Fiji is a non-profit organization dedicated to the prevention and treatment of kidney disease. President and founder of the Kidney Foundation, Mr. Dewan Maharaj, says the US $100 assistance by the Indian government is a boost to their fund, which led the organization to look for a piece of land in Suva to build the Dialysis Centre. This will be the first dialysis center for the country, which will be an opportunity to serve those who suffer from the chronic kidney failure.
So we are really proud to be part of this initiative, and we do hope that in your future endeavor also, Government of India would be able to contribute in a small way.
Mr. Maharaj says 2 lots of land were bought next to each other on Extension Street in Suva, costing $500,000. He adds other kinds contribution included a US $3,000 by Vodafone Fiji, a US $100,000 from an American who sent the fund through Fiji's embassy in Washington, Westpac, and even from Hollywood actor Mel Gibson.
Well, the significance is this we are building the Dialysis Centre. We tried to get it in CWM Hospital, but CWM Hospital as it is, they had no space. So now it become, we had 46, 48 patients, and we run 3-4 hours, 4 shifts a day. So here finally we'll be setting a 15-bed hospital, and we will be running 2 shifts or 3 shifts a day. So that will bring the pressure down.
Tourists with kidney failure will also have the opportunity to be treated at the new center. The Kidney Foundation of Fiji is planning to have 13 station facilities to dialysis 13 patients at the same time in 1 shift. Plans to construct a theater, a diagnosis center, and a blood testing lab are in the pipeline.
8 new students were given an opportunity to study in Morocco by further pursuing tertiary studies in areas of medicine, engineering and science this month. Public Service Permanent Secretary Parmesh Chand handed air tickets to the recipients today.
The Fiji government is thanking the Kingdom of Republic of Morocco for providing fully funded scholarships to 8 Fijian nationals. The government will be paying for the students' airfares and annual supplementary allowance.
But today we will issue tickets to 8 successful students. All in-country costs in this would be provided for by the government of the Kingdom of Morocco. The government of Fiji will provide return airfares, one-time return airfare, and a supplementary allowance of $2,500 per student. And this was specially approved by the Prime Minister because the scholarship came in the form of no airfares and no supplementary allowance. But we approached the Prime Minister and he agreed, given it is a new program and we need to kickstart it, so he agreed to provide or approve the provision of air tickets as well as supplementary allowance of that amount.
Permanent Secretary Parmesh Chand reminded the students to focus on their academic performance. Students are also grateful to the government of Fiji and Morocco for giving them this opportunity.
Yes, definitely. I think this is a great exposure for our students to study in Morocco and then come back and give something to the Fiji government.
I feel great when I give me this opportunity to go and study in Morocco. I'll go and do my best so that when I come back, I can achieve what I put in. Thank you very much.
Join us again after the break.